Hello, today we are looking at translations. Now, with a translation, what it is all to do with is to do with the movement of shapes. Okay, now as you know, if you have a look at the two examples I've got drawn on here already, you'll see from example A that the shape is staying exactly the same size and exactly the same orientation. There's no twists, there's no reflex, it doesn't get smaller, it doesn't get bigger. It translates. So you're literally picking up the shape and you're moving it. Now, how we move it, we use something called vectors. Now, a vector is how far right something goes and how high up something goes. Can't spell, R-I-G-H-T. Now, we write this in a bracket. Often it's a square bracket. It can be a curved bracket. And the number on top is how far right. The number on the bottom is how far up. So if we have a vector of 3, 4, it means we're going 4 squares to the right and we are going 4 squares up. However, being mathematicians, we've also got to get used to the idea if we want to do the opposite. So if it's a negative number here, it actually means we're going left. And if it's a negative number here, we're going down. We'll have a look at this in a bit more depth as we go through these worked examples. So, first of all, I've got 4 shapes. I've got the original shape A, first image of A, second image of A, third image of A. And what I want to do is I want to find out by what vector have these shapes moved. I've just realised I've set this up the wrong way round. Hold on. It's okay, I've worked out what I've done wrong. I will correct it and you won't notice a thing. It'll all be beautifully seamless, apart from the fact you'll hear me blithering on about it. Right, okay, here we go. So let's find out how these shapes have moved. We're going to take shape A and we're going to move it over to the image of A. Now, when we're working this out, what we need to do is we need to take the same corner. Now, as I've said before, I'm using pen, so it is nice and clear. Obviously, any diagrams, any illustrations you do should be in pencil. I'm choosing to take that corner there. So, first of all, I need to work out how far right it's gone. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's gone 4 squares right. How far up has it gone? 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's there. So that corner there has gone 4 right, 4 up. So we would write this going from A to A's image as 4, 4. Because the shape has moved 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again, pick another corner to check it. I'm going to pick this corner here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you're doing this, you've got to make sure that you're picking the same shape. Okay, you're picking the same corner. Let's have a look at B. Not B. Oh. A to A's second image. Again, we know we are finding the vector. So, taking the same corner again. So we're going from here to this corner here. So we know it's the same corner we are looking at. How many squares right is it going? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is a 6. But this time we're not going up, we're going down. How far down are we going? 1, 2, 3. And because we're going down, it's a negative 3. A going to the third image of A. Same principle again, finding the same corner. How far is it travelling? How far right? How far up? Now, when we look at this immediately, you can see we're actually going down left. So we know that both of these numbers are going to be negative numbers. So, how far down? How far left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 down. 1 left. Do that again to check. I'm going to pick this corner here. 1 left. 1 negative 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 6. 6 down. So to recap, we pick the same corner and we work out what journey that shape has gone on. How many squares right, how many squares up, and if it's going left or down, it's negative. Okay, I'll come back to this in a minute. So here is C. I want you to work out from C to C1, from C to C2, and from C to C3. And each time I want to know the vector. As normal, pause the video, check back in to find your answers. Again, I'm going to pick a corner. I'm going to pick the inside corner there on each of these shapes so I know where I'm heading for and what I'm comparing. So we're going from here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now because we're moving left, it means that is a negative 4. How far up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 4, 5. Same principle again, from C to the second image of C. Again, we're going left rather than right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 6, because we're going to the left. How far down? Just 1 down this time. Final one from C to the image of C. Checking we're on the same corner. 1, 2, 3. How far down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's a negative 5 because we're going down. Okay. Right, moving back to this one. We have another shape here, B. But this time I'm telling you what the vectors are and you're going to be drawing the shape. Now we can see this is a simple T shape, and we know that because it's a translation, the shape will move and it will stay the same size, same orientation. No twists, no turns, no reflex. So 3, 2. So by this we're moving 3 squares right and 2 up. Now I'm going to take it corner by corner. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This corner here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And to help me, I'm going to join it up as I go. And like I've said before, I'm using a pen so it's clear on the video. For you, you need to be doing it in pencil. This corner here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now, at this point, now you've got 3 parts in, some of you will start to clearly see that this corner here is in fact this corner here. So you may be able to draw the rest of the shape. Others of you will need to still do corner by corner by corner. Okay, I'm going to show you corner by corner. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. One, 2, 3, 1, 2. One, 2, 3, 1, 2. One, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and we are back to the original shape. Okay, that's B. That is B's image. Same principle again. Second image of B. This time we're going 5 to the right, but this time because it's a -4, we're going down 4. Starting on the same corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, I shouldn't have done that. I need to go down 4. I've got a horrible feeling this might clash into my writing. Oh well. Next corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same principle again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this time, rather than counting each and every shape, I'm going to copy the shape over. Different people will be able to do this different ways. Some of you will do every corner. Some of you will do shape by shape. Second image of B. Final one, going from B to the third image of B, 7 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now please note, I don't just draw the shape from the first one. If I've got 3 in place, I can check that I've got the orientation, because that corner there could be that one, that could be any of them. But by doing at least 3, it means you've got the start of the shape to guide you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and again, I've got 3 corners drawn in, 3 lines drawn in. Means I can complete the shape. And that is the third image of B. Okay, next one will be over to you. Okay, straighten that up. Right, so here we have a shape, and here we have 3 vectors. I want you to draw from shape C to the first image of C on the vector 5, 2. From shape C to the second image of C on the vector 7, minus 4. And the third one from shape C to the third image of C on the vector minus 3, minus 5. As normal, pause the video, draw it out, check back in to see if you agree. Excellent. So as normal, I'm going to take a corner and I'm going to do 3 points to get started. If you need to draw point by point every time, that's fine. If you just want to do 3 and draw the shape again, work to your strengths. So the first one is we're going 5, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 up, 1, 2. There's the corner there. Okay. Next corner here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Final corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. I've got 3 in place. I can then complete the shape, making sure it is the same size, it is the same orientation as the original shape, and that's C's first image. C to the second image is 7 minus 4. Again, same principle. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drawing it in this corner here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good because that's a gap of 3 there, and we know it's a gap of 3 there. Things are going well so far. Last one before I do a draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, means that that's a nice right angle there. There's a nice right angle there. I can then draw in the shape. As I say, I'm using pen so it's clear on the video. You should be using pencil. Second image of C. Final 1/3 image of C. Minus 3, 5. Minus 5. It means we're going to the left 3 and we're going down 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second corner. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Quick check. 3 squares, 3 squares. Looking good. Final corner. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's the squares. Before I'm going to finish that off by drawing out. So, to recap, take your original image, choose a corner, and then using the vectors, how far right, how far up, draw in your first corner, draw at least 3 corners so you can check the orientation. And once you've done that, you can then either carry on with drawing 1 corner at a time, or once you've got the orientation, you can then complete the shape. Both methods work, both methods get you full marks.